Listen carefully to the story. The title is The Strange Noise at Night. Late one night, Sophia woke up to a scratching sound outside her window. The noise was soft but strange, and it made her feel a little scared. She gathered courage and called her brother Ben. Together, they tiptoed into the backyard with a flashlight. The noise grew louder. They shined the light near the trash bins and gasped. Two raccoons were digging around, searching for food. Sophia and Ben laughed with relief. "So this is our midnight mystery," Ben joked. Their parents joined them, smiling at the silly visitors. The raccoons soon ran away, and everyone went back to bed, happy that the mystery was solved. That was the story. The Strange Noise at Night. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.